Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about the conditional statement in CPP. So conditional statement, that means if-else statements. In CPP we can use if-else statement, nested if-else statement, else-if statements also. In our daily life we face some situation where we need to take some decisions. In C++ programming, if we need to take any type of decision, then we can use the conditional statement. Which type of decision? So suppose someone asks you to determine the maximum of two numbers. That means, say suppose someone gives you two numbers A and B, and he asks you to find the maximum maximum of them. That means max of A and B. If A is greater than B, then you need to return A, otherwise you need to print B is maximum. So how we can do this in C++ programming? So suppose now we write a program to take two numbers from user and we will print the maximum of A and B. So how we can do this in C++ program? So let's see. So suppose I take declare two variables as A and B, then I will take the value of these variables from the user. So write cout enter value of A and B. Then C, just take the input from the standard input stream. Okay, so after that, see, now we need to write some condition in C++. How we can write some condition? In that way, if the condition will be true, then this block of code, so suppose statement 1, so suppose there is a statement 1, there is statement 2, dot. If the condition is true, then these statements will be executed. Otherwise, the else block will be executed. So we need to determine the maximum of A and B. So what will be our condition? A greater than B. If A is greater than B, then we can say that cout max of A and B is A. Otherwise, if not, then we can write maximum of AB is B. So this is the small program using a conditional statement if and else. So just compile this program G++ condition1.cpp. After compilation, just run the program. Give two value 50 and 20. So obviously the large value is 50. Then run this file once again. Give 20 and 50. So in the previous case, the value of A was 50 and value of B was 20. So obviously 50 is greater than 20. So this line was executed by the compiler and this line was not executed or ignored by the compiler. And now we put the value 20 and 50. That means is 20 greater than 50? Obviously not. So this is false. So this line will not be executed. Now this line will be executed. So just run this. See, the maximum of A and B is 50. So this is the if-else statement. Now we will see the nested if-else. Okay. So suppose someone gives you three numbers A, B and C and he asks you to find the maximum of A, B and C. So just declare another variable A, B and C and take the another from usual A, B and C. So just take the value from the user. See, if A is greater than B and C, then what will be the condition? And A greater than C. This is the AND. That means if both are true, then only this line will be executed. If block will be executed. So if A greater than B and A greater than C. Now maximum, just maximum A else if A is not greater than B or not greater than C, then we can write if B is greater than C, then we can say maximum is B, else we can say maximum is C. So just change the variable one here B and here it will be C. Okay, just clear the skip, clear, compile this file g++ condition.cpp and give three values A, B and C. So suppose I give 1, 2 and 3. So in that case A greater than B, that means like this, A is greater than 2 and 1 is greater than 3. So this statement is not true, so this if block will not be executed. Okay, so else block will be executed, and within else the first line is B greater than C, that means 2 greater than 3. No, obviously not, so this line will not be executed. This else block will be executed by the compiler. So just run this file. See, maximum is 3. That means the value of C was printed by the compiler. So that means that line was executed. Okay. Now give another value 1, 3, 2. So now this line will be executed because B is the maximum one. So just maximum, and if we just enter another value 3, 2, 1. So now the maximum is A. So this line will be executed first if block. Okay, just run this one. See, maximum is 3. But this is nested if else, but we can use else if also. So what the structure of that? Just suppose else if B greater than C, then we can see the maximum is else we can say maximum is C. So that's, I'll just compile this file again. After compilation, just run this file once. ABC. So maximum will be 3 and see answer is 3. So this is the example of else if, nested else if in C++, and obviously we can use a max function which is present in C++. See the example of that. So we can write also in like manner. Max takes 2 arguments, so we need to do like that way. So max of A and B greater than the maximum of A and B. Then we need to pass this into another max of both and C, and just enter. Okay, just run this, execute the file, and just 1, 2, 3. See, the maximum is 3, or you can give any larger value, 100, 20, 588 or 58, 5, the 100. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, then please share this with your friend and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.